I'm Bowser and I'm sensitive. I get scared very easily. Sometimes I worry that a big dog might crawl into the house and get me. Sometimes I'm just as scared of sneezes as I am of a nuclear war.
Hey, Barackaboo. Call me Obama. You are the man for me.
Oh my gosh, Bowser, can you believe that this is happening?
I'm sorry. I was daydreaming about cans of wet food. What did I
You are
miss?
a man, and I am a girl. Hand me over a chair and take my booty for a whirl. Hey, Barackaboo. Call me.
Gosh, Bowser, I can't believe that this is happening. Bowser, what happened? All your spots went away.
I'm scared. What if this half-naked lady seduces Obama away from his wife and kids, and their interracial love affair sparks a hate-filled rage in the KKK and leads to his assassination? I'm scared. I'm never watching online music videos ever again.
Oh, Bowser, I'm sorry that show upset you. I know what'll cheer you up. Bowser, your spots are back.
They sure are.
I hope that made you feel a lot better.
Dancing Panda reminded me that those half-naked ladies are simply trying to make politics fun and sassy, and that Barack Obama loves his wife and kids as much as I love cans of wet food.
I love you, Bowser.
I love you too, human mom.